Fresh cassava roots arrive directly from local farms. Every batch begins its journey through a fully automated processing line. Only premium quality cassava roots continue into production. Damaged roots are removed to maintain food safety.
The pressure on nozzle 3 is fluctuating again. I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Automatic peelers expose the clean white cassava core. This stage prepares the roots for food processing. Every root receives careful manual finishing. This ensures consistent product quality. Uniform slicing improves drying and grinding efficiency. Precision blades maintain consistent thickness. Extra surface starch is washed away. This improves the texture of the final rice.
We're still at 45% H2O.
Increasing the spin cycle.
The cleaned cassava is finely ground into a uniform mash. This creates the base for rice formation. The cassava mixture is blended to achieve a consistent texture. Next, it will be formed into realistic rice grains. The blended cassava mixture enters a precision extrusion system. Pressure and temperature are carefully controlled for perfect grain formation. Special extrusion dies create the familiar rice shape. Every strand is formed with consistent size and texture. High-speed cutters produce perfectly sized rice grains. Uniform dimensions ensure even cooking later. Steam strengthens the structure of each rice grain. This improves texture and durability. Controlled drying gives the rice its stable shelf life. Moisture is reduced without damaging the grain. Cooling prevents condensation inside the packaging. The grains are now firm and stable. Polishing improves the appearance of every grain. The finished rice looks clean and uniform. Advanced grading ensures consistent grain size. Only premium quality rice moves forward. AI-powered optical sorters inspect every grain. Only flawless cassava rice continues to packaging.
Every package receives an accurate measured portion. The cassava rice is now ready for automated packaging.
Precision heat sealing locks in freshness. Every pouch receives a strong airtight seal. Every package is marked for complete traceability. Batch information supports strict food safety standards. Automated checkweighers verify every package. Only perfectly filled bags move forward. Every shipping carton is securely sealed. This protects the cassava rice during transport. Robotic palletizing improves speed and consistency. Each pallet is built for secure transportation.
Stretch wrapping keeps every carton securely in place. The finished pallets are protected for long-distance delivery.
The finished cassava rice is safely stored before shipment. Every pallet is tracked for efficient worldwide distribution. Warehouse staff prepare customer orders with barcode verification. Every shipment is fully traceable before dispatch. Each shipment receives one final quality inspection. Security seals guarantee product integrity during transport. Freshly packaged cassava rice leaves the factory. It is distributed to markets across the country.
Regional warehouses receive and organize the finished product. Orders are prepared for supermarkets and retailers.
Efficient logistics ensure fresh stock reaches every store. Advanced tracking keeps deliveries on schedule. The finished cassava rice is now available for consumers. Clear packaging helps shoppers make informed choices. After a long manufacturing journey, the product reaches consumers. Every package reflects strict quality standards.
Cassava rice cooks just like traditional rice. It develops a light texture that's ready to enjoy.
From fresh cassava roots to perfectly formed rice, every step is carefully engineered. The result is a nutritious product ready to be enjoyed around the world. State-of-the-art equipment ensures every grain meets our high standards before the batch is released.
Here at the factory, we utilize advanced automation and sustainable practices like solar power and water recycling.
This state-of-the-art logistics terminal ensures our sustainable cassava rice reaches markets around the world efficiently.